Hi, hello YouTubers, this is part 2 on how to edit a patch. If you've seen the part 1, I showed you how to edit a custom FF with Nightmare Patch Editor. It's pretty simple and easy. Alright, so you want to grab your, you want to open your FF here. You want to let it load. This is the old one. You can use the old one or new one. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as you use one. Once it loads, you want to click on Mission GSC, because that's where you're going to get most of the text. Like, you know, like when you get a menu, you'll say, welcome, such and such. Please subscribe to such and all that. So you want to keep on going down. This is Host the Mods Blackbeard edit. This is the bit, you know the way, like when you're on when the map's loading, it says, did you know you can kill a juggernaut by using a predator missile or something like that? That's what that bit is there. So I'm just going to take that out and put in subscribe the mods co-host. Right, then you go down again. Anything that says elite mods and anything like that you can take out, as long as it doesn't say in things like that. If it says in things like that, then don't take any of that out, because it won't work. Right, if you want to know how to take out a laptop, I shall show you in this here patch. Oh wait, this patch doesn't have it. Shit. Alright, my bad. Subscribe to Host the Mods again. That's when you hit select. You know, like when you hit select to bring up the leaderboards, it shows you all this. That when you hit select, it will come up saying subscribe to Host the Mods, or what I'm going to make it say, subscribe to the mods co-host. Then you hit it again, then it brings up the leaderboard. You know, like when you put on standard infections, it tells you the host. That's what the party host name is. I'm going to put in we put lobbies. You have to put, if you want colours in it, you have to put in the wee carrot. I don't even know what the hell you call them. My English is so bad. You have to put in that wee thing before the 2, and if you don't know what that is, you hold Shift 6, and they'll bring up those wee things. Then you can put in any number from 1 to 9. 1 is red, 2 is green, 3 is yellow, 4 is light blue, 5 is blue, 6 is pink, 7 is plain white, 8 is brown, I think, and 9 is default grey or something like that. Then 0 is black. Hold on, just let me get down to. Right, this is like the menu base here. This is all to do with the menu base. If you want to change the colour of the menu base, you can say, it says here UI underscore camel skin underscore foul even. You can change that to UI underscore camel skin red. You can change that to red if you want, or blue then underscore tiger, because it red tiger and blue tiger, it's a type of tiger, so then you'll get that type of colour. Then if you go down a wee bit, this is only showing you how to do basic editing. Then you know, when you open the menu, like you get like account, infections, weapons, VIP. That's up there. So it is. So when you open the menu, it will say black and green at the top, but I'm going to change that to Reaper Lobbies. Reaper Lobbies. So when you open the menu, it'll say Reaper Lobbies at the top, and not just black and green. Then like you can get rid of this here if you want, and that's all black. Zero's black, and he's obviously put it all black. You can, if you really did want to, you could just highlight this here bit. Say I want people to have the host menu when I give them admin, I could highlight the host bit, Control C to copy it, and then I could put it in account. So then that way I could put a space there and Control V, and I'll copy it. So then when I give you verification, you'll have the host menu. You go down again. If you want patches to say like welcome Weeper Lobbies or welcome light mods or welcome elite mods or anything like that, what you want to do is you want to there's a account, just to let you know that, right, this is the bit here. Well, it comes up on your screen when you get the menu. So I don't want that to say that. I want that to say welcome. So I'm gonna make that say welcome. Then I'll make that say subscribe. Subscribe the mods co-host. And I'll make that say black green edit. Black green edit. And this here is the glow color, so like it will glow different colors. I don't want that to glow that color. I think that's black or green, that colors. I want that to go glow white, so it'll be 01 01 01, like, you know, when like light mods 9.24 with the multiple patches in it. No, it's like that really light color. That's the code for it there, 101010. Then if you want the sign to come up, like a level up sign, you put in that there code, notify.sound equals mp underscore level up. Duration, like how long it'll come up for, 8 seconds. I don't want the 8 seconds, but I'll put in 5 seconds, so it'll come up for 5 seconds. Then that's the bit underneath the menu, if you get me, if you know what I mean. I don't want that to say that. I'll just make that say press up. Oh yeah, and if you want to change the menu base color like I showed you, you have to go to that menu base bit, and there's a bit at the top that you also have to change. There it is again, UI camel skin fall. I don't want that. I want red, then underscore tiger. So now if I tested the patch, it would be red tiger. Then if you want to change the emblem, you know, like when you get some patches, like at the start of the menu, start up, it would come up welcome player or something like that. Then like underneath it, it'll show like an emblem spinning, maybe like the 10th Prestige emblem spinning, or a black skull, or the weed leaf, or a biohazard sign. If you want to change that, you have to have the code for it. You have to go the bit underneath it. It says UI camel skin red tiger. Then underneath it says cartoon icon prestige 1002, which is the 10th Prestige spinning icon. I don't want that. I would want the AC130 spinning icon. So just let me change the code for you. We'll change the code. There it is there. So instead of that being a 10th Prestige icon, it's going to be the AC130 spinning icon. And that's the code for it there, if you want it. Then I'm just going to show you, that's the AC130 spinning icon. See, and it's like that now, but when you actually open the menu, it actually spins properly. It doesn't do that. So now I want to go to back to this here bit, and then I want to highlight this here bit. Oops. I want to highlight that there bit, the bit underneath the UI camel skin red tiger. All the camel skins aren't going to be the same. Like when you get it, it's not going to be red tiger. It could be blue tiger. It could be fall. It could be black. It could be anything. You just want to change the pseudo to whatever colour you want, as long as it's not like purple or something like that, unless you know how to really code. But this is only basic editing, so I doubt it. So you just want to change that. So now it's going to be the spinning AC130 emblem. Then if you want the host menu, say you want, if you go to people, I can edit patches. Can I edit your patch for you? All you want to do is Control F, type in case. Hopefully this will come up. Nope, it didn't come up. Shit. Anyway, if you type in case, it usually brings to this here wee bit that goes, that shows you, like, it brings up to this wee bit that gives you automatic host. You type in case, then you'll see these names, like the patch, the guy that edited or made the patch, his name should be there. Like for example, light mods 9.24. If you typed in case, if you were using Nightmare Patch Editor, it would come up saying light mods 1347. You want to take out one of one of those two names. It doesn't matter which one. It won't be light mods. It could be a different one, and you want to put in yours and save it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and comment, and